It was a lively morning in the grand castle of Arendelle, where Anna had decided to challenge Kristoff to a fun baking competition. Olaf, the cheerful snowman, had already volunteered to be the judge, expressing his excitement with a carrot nose held high. The kitchen buzzed with anticipation as the competitors took their positions, ready to whip up sweet creations. Anna, with her vibrant spirit, envisioned a colorful cake adorned with all the hues of a summer rainbow. Meanwhile, Kristoff, always resourceful, decided to make an ice cream cake inspired by his favorite winter palette. The rules were simple: no help from anyone else, and Olaf would judge the dessert's taste and creativity. The clock started, and Anna got to work, determined to craft the masterpiece she had imagined. However, midway through her mixing, she realized she had forgotten to add sugar. She hastily added it, but not before the batter splattered, leaving her face dusted with flour, a moment Olaf found amusing, his giggles echoing across the kitchen. On the other side, Kristoff was having his frosty challenge. His attempt at churning milk into ice cream proved more difficult than anticipated. He ended up with more of a messy slush than a smooth dessert. At the same time, Sven, his loyal reindeer companion, nudged the bowl, accidentally spilling some of the mixture onto the floor. Undeterred, Kristoff scooped it back up, determined to finish his creation. As time ran out, Anna and Kristoff presented their desserts to Olaf, who was eager to sample each one. Anna's cake, though slightly lopsided, gleamed with bright frosting that glittered like gems. Kristoff's ice cream cake was a bit uneven, yet it carried a delightful aroma of vanilla and berry. Olaf took his judging role seriously, taking a big bite from both entries. His smile widened with each taste, his eyes twinkling like stars. He contemplated for a moment and then declared with a cheerful laugh, "You're both winners." His reasoning was simple and kind. He enjoyed them both equally. With laughter and joy filling the castle kitchen, Anna, Kristoff, and Olaf sat down together to share the sweet treats. They chatted and giggled over their silly mistakes, realizing that the fun they had in creating and sharing their work was worth more than any title of victory. In the end, the baking competition was more than about creating desserts. It became a lesson in teamwork, sharing, and embracing the joy in each day. The Castle Kitchen Showdown ended as a celebration of friendship, sweeter than any confection they could have baked.